Hi everyone, welcome to W Pocket. In today's video, I will show you the steps to download older version of any theme or plugin from WordPress.org website. For this tutorial, I am using 2019 theme and Akismet anti-spam plugin. As you can see, the current version of the theme is 1.4. So to download the older version, right click on the download button, then click copy link address. Now open a new tab and paste the link. Here you can see 1.4, which is current version of the theme. Now go to the theme page, scroll down to the bottom, open development log in the new tab. Now here you can see all the version of this theme. 1.4 is the current version, and if you want to download the older version which is 1.3, so go to the tab where you pasted the link, then change 1.4 to 1.3 because 1.3 is the previous version. If you want to download older version, you can change it to 1.2 or 1.1. Now after changing the link, press the enter button. It will automatically start the download. You can follow this step to download any version of any theme. Now to download older version of any plugin, go to the plugin page. As you can see, current version of this plugin is 4.1.3. So to download the older version, click on the advanced view. Now scroll down to the bottom. Under the previous versions option, you can see the list of all the version. For example, if you want to download the previous version, just select the 4.1.2 and click download. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.